Good morning, everyone. This is Samantha Bearden-Joachim, your Prosperity Party coach and National Marketing Representative for New Essentials. And I'm coming to you pretty early, I know. I'm awake, obviously. But the reason that I'm here right now is because you're awake too. I'm awake because I want to be. Most of you are awake because you have to be. And I wanted to share something with you because you're either working on your own dreams and you're in a system that's working for you, or you're working on someone else's dreams. And if you're in the position where you're working on someone else's dreams, it doesn't mean that you can't work on your own. And you can do it all the time. I want to share something with you that I do every morning, and you can do it too. Most of us who get woken up by an alarm clock are like, okay, I've got to wake up now, I've got to get ready, I've got to go to work. True. Why not set your alarm clock 5 minutes earlier for yourself? You can have some me time, and not that kind of me time, or that, but you can start your day for you. If you're working on something for yourself, even if it's part-time, start your day for you. So what I like to do is I start the day, I write this down. You can take 30 seconds to think about it, but it's your time, and it really puts you in the frame of mind for the day. So ask yourself, what is the most important thing that I can do today to make the most money today, to help the most people today? Whatever it is that your goal is that you want to do, what is the most important thing that you can do today to get that today? And when you have that presence in the back of your mind, when you start doing this exercise for yourself, it really will make a difference. So I wanted to share that with you because it's something that I do daily, and it's something that really does help my business. It helps me be successful. It helps me help other people be successful, and I know that it can help you. If you want to know more about it or how I do it or have any questions, you can email me at samanthasbeachmoney, all one word, @gmail.com. Have a great day.